hold it securely, a bit of lube, just open it up. Make sure you're holding it exactly the angle you want the claw to sit at. Don't go like that, just only go down, keeping it straight. Oh my god. So do you know what I mean? This is a bit thinner, so if I wanted to pull it left or right or tilt it one way or the other, I can do so without ruining the fitment of the claw. So this is my preferred way. Basically, you get your line in the position wherever it's got to be and phrase it out, so you're dropping the claw into the side. And I think once that's in position and it's soldered, it's as strong as it can be. This is my preferred way because you've got a lot of control on the angle that your claw ends up at. Also the distance you're going into the collet, because it's that's something that needs to be considered as well. Like say this is a 4-claw collet, all 4 have to go in the same amount, otherwise it can look a bit wrong. So this claw could be soldered in there, but I've got this phrase is a little bit more similar to that one. So I think you can get away with one just a touch bigger. When I say a touch, I mean I'm talking like 0.02 of a millimeter, like hardly anything bigger. But ideally, as long as you've got it, just go up to the same measurement. Deeper you go with this, the stronger the solder is going to be. But then you're going too far, the claw will look kind of just sort of a bit flat and lost in there. And next stage, once you've got your claw in there and it's all phrased out correctly, it's sitting at the right angle, I would hold it in my tweezers for soldering. So there you go, that's another benefit. It's because it's sort of locked in there. There is a tiny amount you can move it. Like I know you've cut that groove for it to sit in, but you can, with your tweezers, pull it one side slightly and get it to sit slightly differently. But any big kind of changes in direction, or angle, sorry, you need to be adjusting your phrasing. But there, you can hold it in there really easily, easy to solder. That's a good technique and the way I always make them.